Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Notepad is not opening properly on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do, it's going to be very simple, is open up the start menu, type in CMD, best result, should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I will have one command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. It's a DISM command. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should say the operation completed successfully. At this point you can close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.